Welcome to Vuong, West Sussex. Last year we purchased the Wellis swim spa from Wellis Sussex. Harry, who is the main contractor, installed the groundwork, he installed the pool. It was a very easy process and here it is today. The whole family enjoy it. I mean, I've got 3 young kids and you know, they jump out of bed, jump straight into the pool. It's nice and sedate. We sit there listening to music. The sun is out and yeah, it's been great. Would I recommend it to my friends and family? Yes, I would. I mean, Harry's great. He's got such a massive experience. He's you know, told me how to use the spa, how to maintain it, and as to date, it's been great.